title, right? I'm gonna go with title. I think that's what it says when I am editing. Okay, that was not good. That was not good. That was really, really bad. Gotta make sure there's nothing on the teeth. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title, caption, title, right? Let's go with title. I'm going to be playing with the Jawbreaker palette. When I saw this palette in his review video, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. I was really thinking I was going to want the mini because it was a little more affordable. But when I saw this, it was like, yes, I need you. I need you because I see in this palette where you can do some neutral looks, you know, some light looks. They're still going to be colorful, but they're going to be so light that you can walk around with it and not feel like a super glam. I see some semi-glam looks and I see some, oh my god, I see you 3 miles away look. So I'm going to be doing that, all 3 looks in different videos, but we'll see which one. I'm thinking this is going to be like the super glam. I could see you 3 miles away because of the colors that I'm thinking about using. So we're just gonna see. If it turns out, I'll let you know at the end. Don't worry, I'll let you know which look this is. But I cannot wait to dive into this. I took pictures of this for my Instagram and I'm gonna do swatches for you guys and then include that in my Instagram. So if you are curious and want to see more of the things that I do, go ahead and go to my Instagram. I have a huge family there and I usually am more active there. But I'm trying to be as active here, especially with my last video. Getting as many views as it did, it left me. But anyway, I'm also going to be using the Colourpop. I got sent this through PR. I get PR from them, and this is their volumizing mascara. And this one is called Sky High. Am I going to be part of the Sky High Club? Okay. Shh. And they also send me their cream gel liner. I think this is what it's called. I know I use their pencil cream liners and I love them. I love them. They're so good. I have one which I need to go get and use in this video. But I wanted to use this, so I figured I introduce it because of the colors that I'm looking at in there. And if you're curious on what's on my lip, I got this from Awake. It's so cute. Look at the little eye covers. I forgot what they're called. But anyway, it is so good. This is the first time I'm using it and I love it. It feels creamy, hydrating. So if by the end of the video, when I apply the lipstick, it works beautifully, it's a yes. I also put from Colourpop, this is from the Zodiac collection, the Kathleen Lights one, and this is I Need Space. They send me 4 of them. So like I said, if you want to see swatches and stuff like that, just head to my Instagram. All my social media, I can't speak today. All my social media are linked below in the description. I am trying to make this quick so you guys ain't here forever. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, yeah, I gotta press. So this is the blue cream gel liner they sent, and it's really good. I thought about putting it, but since I already have that blue, I figured I will go with their yellow one, which is the same line, just, you know, in yellow. This one is called, I think, Punch. Yeah, Punch. So I'm going to put this on the bottom waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and put these lashes on from Eylure. Yeah, Eylure. And then I'm gonna use some of this glitter from Colourpop. This is called Trippin' Skies. Look how beautiful. I'm just gonna like put it on the outer, you know. Let's hope. Pray for me again. Pray for me. I'll be back. So this is my look, guys. These lashes from Eylure, they're very nice. I love their lashes. They're really comfortable. They have a thin band, so they don't bother you like other lashes when the band is so thick, you just feel them. They didn't apply as well because of the liner. But when I don't have a very thick liner like this Colourpop one, which I have to say I'm not a fan of it, I need to try it a few more times. I feel like I need to read the instructions to see like what little tips and tricks they do, because it is creamy when you put in your little brush, but going on it was definitely not as easy, and I don't suggest that you reapply. So if you go over it once, go over it right then and there, and once you build it, just leave it alone, because I went over it again and it crumbled, and we don't want that. The palette, obviously, that is the main attraction. This palette is amazing, guys. I so far love the colors that I use. You saw by the swatches how they swatched. I definitely have to use it 2 more times, because I like to use products 3 times before I say, oh my god, yes, get it, get it, get it. But honestly, just by the colors I use, I'm like, yeah, we get that. But definitely, if you want to wait and see more of my reviews on it and other people's reviews, because it's good to see different reviews. That way you get a concept, because, you know, this might work for me, it might not work for you, and it doesn't make the product bad. It just makes either our taste or our chemistry on our face the reason. That glitter, I like it. That's Tripping with Skies from Colourpop. Amazing. Definitely liked it. I have some that had sent me that I'm not touching. I'm going to put that in a giveaway, which I have a giveaway that ends today. I should have mentioned it in the Jacqueline video that I put up, but I forgot. This mascara, you can actually really see it on the lower lash lines. I was like, oh my goodness, that is amazing, because it never happened. This eyeliner, I actually re-recorded this, but this is one swatch of the blue one. So the blue one is real creamy, easy to swatch. The yellow one's a little more tougher, but once you swipe it twice, it's amazing. Swipe it, slide it. It's amazing. It's definitely pigmented. So some of them are just like one swipe, and some of them are just a little bit more. But mind you, every product is made with different ingredients, especially with the color payoff that it's going to give. So it's going to make some great, and some you have to work a little bit more. But if you still get them to pop like this, that to me is amazing. The highlighter on my nose and all around is actually Jawbreaker, this gorgeous color right here. I said, you know what, let me use that as a highlighter, and I like it. It has like a goldish shift to it, and it's beautiful. I thought it was white, but it's got the gold, you know what I mean. I'm gonna leave it at that. What else? So, oh, on my lips, hello. On my lips, I'm wearing Calabasas on the outer, and in the middle part, I put a little bit of watermelon soda, and this smells delicious. I didn't smell it. You would think it's called watermelon. Smell it, Jennifer. I did not smell it. and it smells so good. The look overall, at first I was like, oh my god, what am I doing? What am I doing? This is gonna be a disaster. But you know what? With everything put together, it looks really pretty. I like it. It's definitely bold. For me, it screams, you know, Jeffree and all his mixings and all the colors. And I should have just gone all the way out. And I think about doing that, like doing a whole mask type thing. We shall see. But that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next in my videos. For all my new subscribers, thank you so much to you guys for joining my family here. I wish I had a special name for it, but I tend to call everybody Loves, so I don't know if to call this the Love Family. I should, right? Should I call this the Love Family? Let me know. Leave me a little comment down below. Or if you got ideas of what I should call my family, please help me out, because I don't know what's going on with my brain. But I always like to leave a positive message, because I feel that we need more positiveness in this world. We all going through something, whether it's something personal, something work related, health reasons. We're all going through it. And the last thing we need is somebody bashing us or making us feel bad. So one thing I want you all to know is that you are enough just the way you are. Just the way you are. Don't ever let anybody tell you you need to change or be somebody else. Unless you're being a negative person, then that is a good good advice from a person to tell you, listen, be more positive. Because remember, there is always a positive in every negative. So you all take care and have a good one until my next video. They listen.